Process Monitor, Procmon, must be unloaded before continuing, arises because Roblox's anti-cheat detects Process Monitor's driver, which can interfere with its functionality. Unfortunately, there's no way to unload the driver without restarting your computer. Here's the situation. Process Monitor driver. When you run Process Monitor, it installs a driver, Procmon 24 sys, that monitors system activity. Anti-cheat conflict. Roblox's anti-cheat mistakenly flags this driver as a potential threat. Here are your options. 1. Restart your computer. This is the most straightforward solution. Rebooting unloads all drivers, allowing Roblox to launch without conflict. 2. Consider alternatives to Process Monitor. If you need system monitoring functionality, explore other tools that might not have drivers conflicting with Roblox's anti-cheat. 3. Play Roblox through Microsoft Store, if applicable. The Roblox app from the Microsoft Store might not have anti-cheat implemented yet, allowing you to play without a restart, although functionality might differ. Important points to remember. Don't tamper with drivers. Avoid manually deleting the Procmon driver, as it can cause system instability. No workarounds. There are no reliable methods to unload the driver without a restart. Techniques you find online to bypass detection might violate Roblox's terms of service. I hope this explanation helps. Choose the option that best suits your needs.